Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to watch YouTube on your Toyota RAV4. First, understand that direct video playback on the infotainment screen while driving is generally unsafe and illegal. Your vehicle's system is designed to prevent video distractions for your safety and the safety of others. We will focus on the official and safest methods for enjoying YouTube content, primarily when your vehicle is stationary, or through audio only while in motion. Always put safety first. The primary and safest method involves using your smartphone with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Connect your phone via USB or wirelessly, depending on your RAV4 model. While these systems integrate many apps, they are designed to prevent video from playing on the main screen when the vehicle is in motion. You can enjoy YouTube's audio content, like podcasts or music, but video is typically restricted until you are safely parked. This is a crucial safety feature. You might encounter third-party applications or modifications that claim to enable full video playback on your RAV4 infotainment screen. It is important to understand that these are not officially supported by Toyota or the platform providers. Using such unofficial methods can void your vehicle's warranty, introduce security vulnerabilities, and potentially damage your car's electronic systems. We strongly advise against these solutions due to the inherent risks and safety concerns they present to you and your vehicle. To safely enjoy YouTube in your Toyota RAV4, we recommend watching videos on your smartphone only when your vehicle is completely parked. For driving, leverage Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for audio-only content, ensuring your focus remains entirely on the road. Your safety and the safety of others are paramount. Always follow traffic laws and avoid distractions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.